Okay, now that we got these two bolts out, this pulls out. It's got two things in the bottom here, nothing, no bolts, but see down there, it just connects into those. You pull it up and out. You might have to finagle it a little bit, but now you have access to get the fan off. These bolts, one here and one on this side. Now that you've got your top hose out of the way, you can get to it. I've again got this wiring harness loose. Take it off there too. It's loose. I need to disconnect it here, but I'll wait till I get the fan up a little bit out of here. Be easier to get. Make sure and take this line off. This is your cable for the hood latch, so be careful, don't break it. And then you should be able to get this fan up and out of the way.